Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Julie and today it's like a very expected video because I don't even can't remember how much times people call me Marilyn Monroe, and actually, in some way I don't know why, because this is not my hairstyle for every day actually, and even when I'm going with Victory Rolls or something like that, everyone calls me Marilyn Monroe. And actually, yes, it's a big compliment for me and in some way, but hey, I just have a blondie hair and wearing 50s. It's not, I don't know, I don't think that I looking like her in some way. But anyway, when someone tell you this compliment that you like looking like biggest sex symbol of 50s and 60s, of course it's a big proud actually. So yeah, okay, tell that I'm looking like her anyway. And I'm trying to do her hairstyle. Actually, I haven't such cutting like Marilyn Monroe. I have lengths on the hair like this, but I was trying to create something like that, shortly, voluminous, maximum gorgeous, maximum glamorous. Please write me if this hairstyle look at me like on her. But actually, you know what? Marilyn Monroe was wearing different hairstyles. In the start of her career, she had blonde hair, she had big waves, like from 40s styles, yes. But this like is her classic signature hairstyle. As always, I was using foam rollers. As always, I was doing like, anyway. Why I won't be describing. Just watch the process, and I hope and sure that you will try, and sure that you will receive an amazing result as I. And to prevent the questions about my hands, my cat attacked me. Yes, my little baby. No, it's not. He is not little anymore. Yeah. So, yes, it was first time. He's not attacked me every time. But yeah, what can I say? So yeah, everything is okay. Kitty is alive. Nothing happens. Actually, I'm just angry on him. But I'm sure that we will. We will friends again. We will be friends again. Anyway, thank you for coming, and let's start. Foam rollers, 22mm overnight. I made them on the half wet hair, and after that we receive very teeny curls, and you need to brush them very light and soft. And don't forget that you need to brush hair very light, because you will ruin your hair. So be gentle with your hair and don't hurry. Then we started to comb in the hair, because Monroe always have big volume at their front part. So comb in the hair using hairspray for better fixing. If you have not clean hair, you don't need to use hairspray. So I'm combing with a special hair comb brush. after this, I'm starting to create the wave using dark bill clips and to second one a red tail hair comb and creating the wave. You need brush, brush, brush and brush. Don't scare to do this. With your curls nothing happened. You need to brush well to create the waves. They will lay in every time, they will lay in a different way, so you will receive every time new results, but it will be wave anyway. And fixing with hairspray and the results like part to part to fixing this. And then I'm starting to brush at the back. And actually the main thing I'm trying to create my from my hair, short hair, I'm using bobby pin for this, just rolling the hair under and fixing by bobby pins. After this, brushing a little bit and cover everything with hairspray. That's all actually done. Hope you liked this video. Hope you will recreate this even you have the long hair. You will receive more volume it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to follow me. Have an amazing day.